Hey guys, welcome back. Got another episode here on Ohio Blade HQ, and today we're going to be reviewing something a little bit different than normal. Now this is another Chinese product. This is the HX Outdoors ZD018. So it's a little multi-tool. I bought this a while back, and I actually forgot I had it, so I thought, let's go ahead and do a review on it. I mean, it's not our traditional unboxing, it's already out, but actually I haven't used it yet. It's still in the wrapper. So you get this little plastic case for it, and you can get these things on GearBest for 20 bucks, I think, $20. I'll put a link in the description in case you're interested. But you get a nice little box here, padding. I don't know why they give you such a humongous box for such a tiny little knife. Well, multi-tool, I guess, is more appropriate. But anyways, that's what you get right there. So you have a little carabiner clip there where you can clip that onto your pack or your belt loop or whatever you want to clip it onto. And then this is the multi-tool part of it. All right, so you can flip that out like a knife blade, but you have your hex bits here. So you got this is all in metric. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 millimeter, and then the 9 is over here. And the 9, actually, you can see the little bottle there. Maybe there we go. That actually serves as a bottle opener as well. So you got your mandatory bottle opener that everybody puts on every single multi-tool. But, I don't mind them. Usually, sometimes they get a bit annoying being on everything. But you do have a little, it's almost like a liner lock there that you gotta depress. So it does lock in place. Right? You can get good leverage with that to open a bottle or to screw whatever you need to screw. So this is a lot better than that multi-tool that we got back in the last SHTF box, that little piece of junk. But this is actually pretty good. So you can fold it up, and then it's got a little metal protector there so you don't have any sharp edges sticking out. And then on the other side you got a knife, and you got that kind of black distressed look on the entire package here. Okay, so we can go ahead and deploy that. It's just a fingernail thumb hole there. Now the blade is made out of 5 CR15 MOV steel. The body is made of 3 CR13 MOV. So a very soft steel bit. It's not that big a deal on the body. Now the blade steel is also a very budget-oriented steel. So that is not going to hold an edge very long, but it does take an edge very easily, and you can put a really fine edge on there. So this, I'm hoping, I haven't tested this yet, but I'm hoping that thing is razor sharp. But we'll see. We'll test that here in just a second. But the knife, with having the lower end steel on it, this is not going to be something that you're going to hard use. This is basically, a tiny little knife that you can use as a letter opener and other minor tasks, and for that kind of stuff it should work just fine. But if you start using it hard, trying to split wood or something with this, you're going to lose an edge very quickly. Cutting through cardboard even, you're not going to keep that edge very long. But the measurements, if you go to the website, are, and by the website I mean GearBest, everything's metric. So it's 4 centimeters, which is about 1.57 inches. for the blade length. So it is a very small blade. The overall length when it's open, I think, is 12 centimeters, and closed is 8 centimeters. So you can see in my hand that it's a very small thing, but it's very thin, it's very light. So this is something really easy to carry around, or put in your bug out bag, or clip onto a camping bag, and you won't even know it's there because it's so tiny. And then you got some useful tools and a little knife for a backup. So why don't we go ahead and get paper out, some scrap paper, and we'll see if that thing came sharp from HX Outdoors. Yeah, it's sharp. Yeah, I mean, definitely had sharper, but I mean, that's very decent. And we're talking a $20 knife with a budget steel here, but yeah, I mean, that's cutting right through there. It glides. It's not as sharp as that rake that we reviewed a while back, but it's sharp. That'll work. And until I screw it up like that, but there we go. Yeah, so she comes sharp. Even though it loses an edge pretty quickly, or it should lose an edge pretty quickly, it should be very easy to put that back on there. And that blade doesn't have any complex curves or anything to it, so it should be very easy to touch up out in the field. So we also got paracord back in the mix here. I finally went outside and got it again. But here we go. Now, I'm not real confident the pull through is going to work. I don't want to cut myself. Yeah. I mean, I don't even think that made a dent. Yeah. Yeah, that's the pull through isn't gonna work. Let's try a slice. Let's see if we can get the slice to work. There we go. Well, we got a little strand still hanging on there, but there we go. Made a cut, and it's not too bad. I mean, I've seen cleaner cuts for sure, but there we go. That's what that looks like. We'll do it one more time. See if we can get a little piece of paracord off. Yeah, it cuts fine. A little bit of effort, but not much. So there it is. And then it is locking, right? So we got our little lock there. If we can get the camera to focus again. Maybe. Come on. I believe in you, camera. There we go. So you can see lock up there. It's at about 50% already, but it's a good, strong lock up. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. So push that over. We can close her up. I wonder what happens if we deploy both sides. Yeah, you wouldn't want to do that. So there you go. That is the HX Outdoors ZD-018. Little multi-tool and tiny knife. I think the look of it's pretty cool. This is definitely a budget knife. Is it worth 20 bucks? Well, I mean, obviously I thought so because I bought it, but I mean, you guys be the judge if it's worth $20 to you. I mean, it's a nice little light multi-tool. I mean, I think the carrying case here is kind of pointless. I mean, you're not going to use that. You're just going to clip this on your bag and go, or throw it in your pocket. All right, well, that's it for this video. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.